How to earn 1 million naira every year in dividends from the Nigerian stocks. So I've got this question in my inbox. Like, this is the third person asking me, how can I earn like a million naira, from one or two stocks in Nigeria, from the Nigerian stocks? And I just want to give you a little clue on how to go about it. So it doesn't really matter if you're starting with 10 million, 50 million, 1 million, 500,000, 100,000. It's just for you to get a picture of what it entails and what you should be doing. So I'm going to break it down the way you're going to understand, and you're going to learn a lot. So first, let me just post this thing because some companies that paid a lot of dividends and capital gains. I just want to show you that stocks can literally change your life. This is one of my VIP community members, and she says that Dangote Cement and Nestle has settled my daughter Trinity University school fees yesterday. Thank you for picking me on Facebook. I actually answered her on a question she asked in a group on Facebook, and she got interested and she joined the community. And this is really beautiful. Stock markets can literally, you can use money from these dividends or capital gains to actually sort out some very good um, bills or projects in your life. So just for you to know that. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Julia. If you're meeting me for the first time, I am a financial wealth educator. I teach you how to make your money work for you. So if that's the kind of content you love, consider watching this video to the end. Like this video, please like, because that is the only encouragement I get, so that YouTube can show this video to more people, so that you and other people can see it. And of course, subscribe. When you do that, you'll be one of the first people that will be getting my new videos anytime I make a new video. Thank you for doing that, and I appreciate you. This video is for educational purposes, so open your eyes, listen, make some notes. It definitely is going to change a lot of the way you see stocks. So you're looking at the Nigerian stocks, all right? And the first step you have to take is you pick a particular stock. You want to make 1 million. I'm not a fan of, I want to make 1 million, but I want to pick 20 stocks. I have seen some people who have 100,000, 200,000, 1 million, and they have 20 stocks, 30 stocks, 40 stocks. They hear about this stock, they buy. They hear my own, they buy. They hear another person's own, they buy. They're just buying, buying, buying. They feel like I don't want to miss out on all these stocks. You have to start with quality. Then you build a portfolio. Don't build a collection. You're not building an album. Because you see, in album, you will have the ones that will make it, the ones that people will end up not even on knowing, the one people will not enjoy. You're not building a collection of album. You're actually building a portfolio that can help you. So you build with intention. You buy with intention. Very important. So investing is not just about owning all the stocks, it's about owning the right stocks that suit your goal. So for this, I'm going to pick randomly 5 stocks. So I picked GTCO, Zenith Bank, MTN, BUA Cement, Dangote Cement, right? You can see that all these stocks are quality stocks. Now, GTCO paid dividends of 11 naira 76 kobo. These are some of them are now paying interim dividends. So in case you see some of them, like MTN that just released that they're going to be paying 26 naira, that's another, like, an added advantage or added jara or added bonus. All right, so GTCO already paid 11 naira 76 kobo. Zenith Bank paid 8 naira 75 kobo. MTN paid 15 naira. BUA Cement paid 10 naira. Dangote Cement paid 45 naira. And this is for someone who is just focusing on making money from dividends. Now, capital gains money will still come, right? But you're thinking, can I have a steady way of making a certain amount? There are people I know that they are earning up to 10 million from dividends every year. And the dividend comes from maybe like 2 or 3 stocks. They're not packing everything. That's why I said at the end of the day, you pick stocks according to your goal and solid companies. So if a stock pays 10 naira, then you definitely need to own 100,000 units. How did I get this figure? Divide 1 million naira by how much that they are paying, which is 10 naira. you get how many units you need to own for you to earn that money. If a stock pays 15 naira, then you need to own 66,667,000 units to earn 1 million naira. Are we clear on this? Do you understand it? You need to pause and watch this again so you can understand it. Now, GTCO, let's look at the current price. As at the time I'm making this video, it is 128 naira. Now, for you to earn 1 million, divide 1 million with 11 naira 76 kobo, which is how much that they paid. You will get 85,034 units. That means for you to invest in GT to earn 1 million, you need to invest about 10.8 million naira. 10.8 million naira. So if you want to achieve this figure in a year, divide this 10.8 million naira into 12 months. So every month you need to do at least 908,000 naira. I understand you may be shouting, ha, where una dey see money? Some people can actually conveniently do these figures. Some people cannot. How about you starting with 10,000 naira every month, 100,000 every month, 20,000 every month, 50,000 every month, and just commit to one course and tell yourself, I'm going to build this. So it's not a must that because we are calling 10 million naira, 10 point, in fact, call it 11 million naira. Don't say, oh, how is this going to be possible? If you start now to build, you will get there. Now, Zenith Bank is currently 122 naira and they paid 8 naira 75 kobo. So for you to earn 1 million naira, you have to have 114,285 units. So you can see that it's almost 115,000 units. It means that if you calculate it by 122 naira, you should be investing about 13.9 million. Now let's look at the charts. Okay, so this is GT 128, this is Zenith 121.70. I just approximated to 122. This is just as at the time you may be watching this video when the prices have either gone lower or gone higher. Remember, stock market is not static. It's constantly moving up and down, up and down. The volatility is always there. If you look at the chart, you even see it. At the time we're at 135, 133, we came down to 126, then we jumped to 133 again, we came down again to 128, 127. So you can see it doesn't move in a straight line. If you look at this one, same thing. So always understand this, right? Now let's talk about MTN. MTN is currently around 800 naira, thereabout. So 1 million, for you to earn 1 million, they paid 15 naira, so 66,667 units. The total amount you need, if you multiply this number of units by 800 naira, you'll be getting about 53 million. Can you see that for you to earn the same 1 million, you'll be spending more with MTN? So we're not talking about which one is best at the moment. We're looking at, if you are looking at their current prices and you are looking to earn 1 million naira, this is what we're going to be getting if you are using what is currently on ground. So let's look at BUA Cement. BUA Cement paid 10 naira and the current price is about 290. So for you to earn 1 million, you have to have 100,000 units, and that's about 29 million naira that you'll be spending. So this is MTN 798. I just approximated to 800 because it was actually at that price when I was doing the calculation before it jumped when I took this screenshot. And of course, BUA Cement 289, I just approximated to 290. All right. So understand that the prices always moves. When you're watching this video, you should know that the price may actually change slightly from these particular figures I just gave us now. So let me give us some tips. The first thing I want you to know is that some stocks can be higher or lower, meaning the value of money you will spend to earn 1 million per stocks can actually be higher or lower. And some of them can even give you double. If you look at MTN that pay 15 naira and now they are paying 26 naira for owning that same number, you have earned 1 million, and now with 26 naira, you'll be earning almost about 1.6 million naira or 1.7 million naira extra on top of your 1 million, meaning that you're even going to make much more. And remember that not every company pays dividends. It's not every stock you see that you can buy and start expecting dividends. You have to check if the company pays dividends, when is their X qualification date, the date you have to own it before, so that you can qualify, and then you check the day they are going to pay. All those things are also important. And of course, not all dividend paying companies are solid. There are companies that are paying dividends, but they are not solid companies. So these are the things you need to understand when you're making a choice of, oh, which one should I pick? Where should I be looking at? Understand these things. So if you really want to get to see some of the challenges we are doing, we're starting our brand new 1 million naira stock challenge in the community. And if you want to join us and be a part of it, you can join the 9.0 community. Come and learn how to make your money work for you. Come and see other picks, apart from the ones I discussed, other picks that can give you money, that can spend less money, and you can make quite a lot of money from them. Then two, you also join other community wealth builders, and not just in naira, you also earn in dollars. So this is your sign for you to sign up for the community, or you can also sign up for one-on-one coaching. If you do not understand your portfolio and you're investing a lot of money, please don't make that mistake. Don't invest like the person who has 100,000. When you have a lot of money, you should actually, your mind should be in your investment so that you don't make mistakes. So you can actually sign up for a one-on-one session. The link to pay is in the description of this particular video. So you can get access, or by sending an email to me at finwiseafricatribe@gmail.com. You can get access and you can reach out to me. So this is the email. And of course, we have just one slot to close up for batch 9.0 in the community. So come on in and join. The payment link for this is 65,000 naira for 1 year. Come and join and learn. It's super interesting in that community. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this information. Now you can go and look at all the stocks you have in your portfolio. Check the ones that are paying. Look at how much they have paid, and then you can see. Remember, I told us that some of them are still going to pay interim dividends. So you're going to be earning extra money. You're still going to make money from capital gains. So it's like left, right, center. You're earning from final dividends, interim dividends, capital gains. Sometimes they will do bonus rights. Sometimes they will do right issue. All these are different ways you can make money from the stock market. So enjoy yourself, and I'll see you in another video. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you.